Hello guys, today we are going to see about fix live kernel event error on Windows computers. Go to search menu, type cmd, right click, run as administrator, yes. Check the description for this command, sfc scannow, copy this, tap this bar, right click, eject, paste, press enter. This process will take some time. Go to, after finishing this, go description and copy this, tap this bar, right click, eject, paste it. This process will take 10 minutes at least. Let's wait guys. This process, you go ahead and restart your PC. That's it for today's videos guys. This problem is definitely work for you guys. Thanks for watching my videos.